Alrighty, what is up? Hustle family, degenerate gamblers, day traders, swing traders alike. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at ALGO, Algorand, one of our longtime favorites, one of our longtime holds. But for anyone just coming into it and you want to know what the heck is going on, I completely understand. So, taking a look at this real quick, we are going to go to the 4-hour chart. We're going to reset that. As you can see, we've been looking at this for quite some time. I am going to remove all of those drawings right there. Now, if you want to practice your charting or technical analysis abilities for free on a live market, no, I'm not an affiliate for it. I don't make anything, but there's going to be a link to a tutorial, as I slip over my words, showing you how to set up this tradingview.com, where you can practice your charting on a live market and not pay anything for it. So that's kind of cool. So first question, are we in a bullish or bearish market? Well, we've been consolidating for a minute, but we came out of this nice bullish upswing. Now real quick, if we want to know, grab here this fib retracement, if we want to know, we came all the way down here, we popped right back to this 50% retracement, and now we've kind of just been going up, right? We hit this 61% retracement, now we're trying to get this 78%. Now this is from the top bottom bouncing back up, right? Making sure we are not in an ascending wedge after this bullish rise, bearish drop, ascending wedge. Are we going down harder, right? That's what we're worried about. Are we dropping down more? So let me go ahead and take a look right here. We're going to take our retracement, see if we find a point, which we do right here at 50. Okay, not only that, we do have touches back here where this proved to be a previous support zone. So I'm going to go ahead and circle that right there. Okay, so I think this is solid level. Fibonacci retracement says from this move that we can find a support right here. We have proven before that this does work as a support, so I'm going to throw my support right there at 122, which means if I'm buying in right now and I'm wanting to set a stop loss, my stop loss is going to be somewhere around a continuation of a break below that. So if I'm buying right now and I'm looking for a stop loss, well, let's go ahead and go right here where we find previous resistance, support, and bounced. So if we go below 115, I am stopped out. That is going to be my point where I want no more. Now inversely to the upside, let me go ahead and remove these drawings again. To the upside, if we have found that support line right here, and we are not going to go any lower, what is the upside on this move? Now, much like that retracement, the extension is going to take that point A and point B. Point C, however, is going to be where we retraced to, right? I'm going to go ahead and pause that really quick. By the way, Shiba coin, if you haven't, I have been playing this in and out of the swings like no other. Now to the upside, I'm going to look for a 61%. Okay, right up here around the 153 mark. Now my target 2 is going to be up near the 161 mark. That means if I'm taking 100% position right here, I'm going to get rid of about 60% here, or 80% depending on what the market looks like, and the remaining 20 to 40% at target 2 all the way up here. Now of course, when we do get up around the point of resistance, we are going to want to watch the market again, right? So we may offload at 146. However, that is still about a 20 to 25% gain from where we are right now. And you know we like to shoot for the continuous 10%, which is one of the things we've been finding on Shiba. Way more than 10%. We caught a 300% here. The link to the Discord group will be below. The Discord, we caught a 300% gainer inside of about an hour time span. It was nuts. Okay, we wrote it again, and we're writing it yet again. Right, so that is one of the things I'm looking for here. You'll notice we are kind of flirting with the 50-day moving average. Our 200 is way down here, but we are kind of bouncing up off of this support, coming up over the 50, and it just looks very, very bullish. Now, one of the things that we do want to look for, is this a false pump back up? Well, let us check the retracement going on the way down. So again, using the same thing as the extension for long, we're going to look, and this is basically saying Fibonacci retracement, but the other way, right? Going from top to bottom. So this is top to bottom. Where could it bounce up and we want to watch for it to come right up to about the 134 to see if it pops back down again, right? Because we're going to see a possible bear flag forming. So we're going to keep updating on ALGO, on Algorand, like many that we do. If we start to see this bear flag form, then of course we are going to update you guys on it, put out another video, as this is one that we've been long in for a very, very long time. Right? We've been long for a long time. So if this starts to bear flag, we will be watching for that. If it does not, then that breakout will probably take us up around the 150 mark again, where we can happily take our 10 to 20% and then reevaluate. Wait for it to possibly dip down, find a support again, buy in, and go for it. Now, in the very worst case scenario, if we do start to break down severely, let me reset this. If we do start to break down severely, we do not have much of a support until we hit this 97 cents. So that is something to be very careful of, and that is a reason why I would not be entering right now. I would be entering after we see confirmation to the upside, and we know we're not just going to get stuck in a bear flag. Right? Bear flags make a lot of hopeful people, as we can see a 50% or more retracement off of this drop. But just be wary, know that that could happen. Always have a confluence of indicators, a confluence of indicators justifying or validating why you want to get into a position. Never get into a position if your main reason is, well, I feel it's going to go up, or well, I feel it's going to go down, you know. That is not a valid reason to enter a position. So a couple links down below for you guys, the tutorial on how to set up TradingView, this free platform we're using right here, and also a link to the Discord community. As always, guys, if you want something analyzed, leave it down below and I will add it to the list and get to it outside of the ones that we normally go over. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and I will see you next time.